Hello and welcome to lesson 9 of the Gaeilge Inniu beginner course. We're almost there, just 2 more lessons to go until you've completed the full beginner course. Today we look at how to talk about food and drink in Irish.
We'll be using some of the phrases you learned in the last conversation about talking about your opinions on things. Is maith leom, is breá leom, ní maith leom, things like that. Take a look back at conversation 8 to refresh your memory if you need to.
Sórt an maith Áine.
Is maith leom, sceallóga, glasraí, agus seacláid, fuath féin Bharra.
Is breá torthaí agus prátaí, an bhfuil chineál nach maith.
Ní maith leom bananaí nó spinachiste.
Ní maith féin bananaí ach oiread, ach tá spionáiste ceart leor. Is fuath féin arán bán.
Now we'll go through that again, leaving pauses for you to give it a go yourself.
Sórt an maith Áine. Sórt an maith Áine.
Is maith leom, sceallóga, glasraí, agus seacláid, fuath féin Bharra. Is maith leom, sceallóga, glasraí, agus seacláid, fuath féin Bharra.
Is breá torthaí agus prátaí, an bhfuil chineál nach maith. Is breá torthaí agus prátaí, an bhfuil chineál nach maith.
Ní maith leom bananaí nó spinachiste. Ní maith leom bananaí nó spinachiste.
Ní maith féin bananaí ach oiread, ach tá spinachiste ceart leor. Is fuath féin arán bán. Ní maith féin bananaí ach oiread, ach tá spinachiste ceart leor. Is fuath féin arán bán.
How did you find that one? Did you notice is maith leom from the last conversation and a couple other phrases from lesson 8? Here are a few new ones that we got there. Is fuath leom, I hate. Is fuath leom. Give it a go yourself. Another one was tá sé ceart leor. It's alright or okay, when you don't want to give an opinion either way maybe. Tá sé ceart leor. Give it a go yourself.
Well, tá round folklore new an sin. There's loads of new vocab there which you've hopefully picked up. Here's just a couple of the main ones again. Breá, which is food. Sceallóga, which is chips. Glasraí, that's vegetables. Seacláid, chocolate. Torthaí, fruit. Prátaí, potatoes. Bananaí, bananas. Spinach, spinach. And arán, which is white bread.
That brings us to the end of conversation 9. You've only got one more conversation to go. Be sure to listen back to some of the earlier conversations to revise some vocab and phrases if you need to. See you soon. Slán.
Tá sibh beag nach an sin. Slán.